Just a week before going in for potentially life-changing surgery, Lucky the two-headed calf has died.
The shark had not one, but two heads.
Animals can be adorable, majestic, and awe-inspiring, but sometimes nature goes rogue. From bizarre genetic flukes to mutations that seem straight out of a horror movie, these are the creatures that make you question what evolution is really up to. Today, we're counting down 10 of the most terrifying animal mutations ever recorded. And trust us, these are all real. Smash that like button if you love the strange side of nature. Hit subscribe and get ready to witness some of the weirdest creatures on Earth. Number 1. The two-headed calf, Annabelle. In 2015, a farmer in Florida was stunned when one of his cows gave birth to a two-headed calf. Nicknamed Annabelle, the calf had 2 fully formed heads, 4 eyes, and 2 functioning brains, but shared a single body. This rare mutation is known as polycephaly, caused by an incomplete splitting of embryos during early development. Annabelle lived only 40 days, but her case became a documented study in animal developmental anomalies. Witnesses described watching the calf try to move, with each head pulling in a different direction. It was heartbreaking, surreal, and scientifically remarkable. Number 2. Two-headed sharks found in the wild. Yes, sharks can have 2 heads. Several documented cases of bicephalic shark embryos have been discovered by marine biologists, including blue sharks, bull sharks, and even a 2-headed Atlantic sawtail. Scientists believe overfishing and environmental stress may increase the odds of these mutations in utero. Unfortunately, none of these sharks survive long after birth, but their discovery is a chilling reminder that even apex predators aren't immune to nature's glitches. Number 3. The eight-legged goat of Croatia. In 2014, a farmer in Croatia witnessed something straight out of mythology. One of his goats gave birth to a kid with 8 legs and both male and female sex organs. Named Billy the Squid, the animal was born with 4 functional legs and 4 fused extra limbs attached to the abdomen, likely remnants of a conjoined twin that never developed. The vet said if the goat survived, it would be a medical miracle. Sadly, Billy lived only a few days, but became a global sensation in the world of veterinary science. Number 4. The three-headed frog in the UK. Spotted by schoolchildren in Somerset, England, this frog wasn't a science experiment. It was real. The animal had 3 heads and 6 legs, and experts believe the cause was either environmental toxicity, parasitic infection, or extreme cellular misfires during development. Amphibians are particularly prone to such mutations due to their permeable skin and aquatic embryonic stages. This frog became a symbol for ecological risk and a bizarre specimen that left local scientists scratching their heads. Number 5. The albino Pygmy shrew with racing stripes. In 2022, a rare Pygmy shrew was found in a UK backyard with partial albinism, sporting white racing stripes down its back. Known as leucism, this mutation affects pigmentation but not eye color. Unlike full albinism, the odd coloring made the shrew extremely vulnerable to predators, yet it managed to survive in the wild, feeding on insects non-stop to fuel its high metabolism. At only 4 grams, this freak of nature became one of the smallest and weirdest mutated mammals ever caught on camera. Number 6. Ancon Sheep, a genetic shortcut gone wrong. Back in 1791, a farmer in Massachusetts bred a sheep that couldn't jump fences due to abnormally short, crooked legs. Dubbed Ancon Sheep, this mutation was caused by a genetic condition known as chondrodysplasia, basically dwarfism in livestock. The sheep were intentionally bred for generations to prevent escape, but eventually the mutation proved unsustainable for herd health. By the late 1800s, Ancon sheep had gone extinct. Still, they remain a bizarre historical example of humans manipulating a mutation to suit their needs. Number 7. The werewolf cat. Lycoy breed. Imagine a creature that looks like a cross between a cat and a werewolf. The Lycoy or wolf cat is a rare domestic breed that developed from a natural mutation in short-haired cats, causing partial hairlessness and black and gray patterning. With patchy fur, large ears, and glowing eyes, the Lycoy looks like it leapt out of a folklore book. Despite their spooky appearance, these cats are affectionate, loyal, and completely healthy, just genetically unique. Some breeders now preserve the line intentionally. Number 8. Frogs that turn blue. Exanthism. In some North American frog populations, Scientists have found individuals that are entirely blue-gray instead of green, a condition called axanthism. This rare pigment mutation removes all yellow color from the skin, changing green frogs into a ghostly blue. While visually stunning, it's a death sentence in the wild. Without camouflage, axanthic frogs are easily picked off by predators. But for researchers, they offer an exciting glimpse into how pigment genetics work across amphibians. Number 9. Split hands and feet. Ectrodactyly, also known as lobster claw syndrome, is a mutation where digits fail to form properly, resulting in deep clefts, missing toes, or fused limbs. It's been seen in wild frogs, domestic cats, and even birds. In 2019, a Maine cat named Milo was born with split paws, but adapted to walking just fine. Scientists study these cases to better understand limb formation, symmetry, and genetic signaling during embryo development. Creepy to look at, but crucial for biology. Number 10. Transmissible cancer in Tasmanian Devils. Perhaps the most terrifying mutation isn't in the body, but in the disease. Devil facial tumor disease is one of only 2 known transmissible cancers in mammals. Spreading through biting, it causes massive facial growths that eventually lead to starvation. What's scarier? The tumors mutate so rapidly they trick immune systems into ignoring them. First discovered in the 1990s, this mutation now threatens the entire Tasmanian devil species and remains one of the most bizarre biological threats in the animal kingdom. So, which of these freakish animal mutations gave you chills? From twin-headed predators to cancer that jumps between hosts, nature clearly has a darker imagination than we do. Drop your favorite or freakiest entry in the comments below. Hit like if you learned something shocking today. And don't forget to subscribe for more wild top 10s every single week. Until next time, stay curious and maybe think twice before assuming nature always knows what it's doing.